Python is known in the programming world for its clear and easy-to-read syntax. One standout feature is its use of indentation to organize code blocks. Unlike languages like C or Java that use curly braces for this purpose, Python uses indentation to define code blocks. So, what exactly is a code block? A code block is a set of programming instructions that are grouped together and executed as a unit. In Python, code blocks are defined by their indentation level, typically a tab or 4 spaces. Here's a simple example in Python. In this code, we use indentation to show the interpreter that the print statement belongs to the if block. If the name variable is not Alice, the print line will be skipped. Other languages like C use curly braces to define a block. Here's the same if statement written in C. In this case, look at the curved brackets. They show the C compiler that the print command is part of the if condition. Without them, the compiler will misunderstand the code. If you've used curly brackets in other languages, it might be strange to see them replaced with spaces at the start of the line in Python. But this actually makes the Python code neater and easier to read. Another thing to note is how Python ends commands. As you can see, languages like C use semicolons at the end of commands to separate them from each other. Python does not require explicit line endings. Instead, the indentation spaces are used to separate one command from the next. Python's indentation-based syntax has several advantages. Easy to read. Code with consistent indentation is visually clear, making it easier to understand the flow of logic. Maintainability. As your code grows, adding or removing statements within a block is simply a matter of adjusting the indentation, reducing the chance of errors. Focus on logic. Without worrying about curly braces, you can concentrate on the core logic of your program.